my name is Aaliyah, and my research study is determining which UV filters found in reef-safe sunscreens affect a common bacteria in coral known as Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. This bacteria is responsible for enzyme production and pathogen protection, so it is essential that it is conserved. Many people are unaware how sunscreen brands hold harmful chemicals that hurt and damage our coral and marine life. Because it's such a widely used thing and product across the world, it is essential that sustainable products are promoted. Specifically, avobenzone, homosalate, and octocrylene are three UV filters found in these sunscreens in varying percentages that detrimentally affect our corals. Even in reef-safe and reef-friendly sunscreens, they are still held in the products. This is because reef-friendly isn't necessarily a controlled marketing sense, and therefore they are able to promote it while still holding these chemicals. My experiment is going to run 3 different tests to determine which one of these UV filters is most harmful to our marine life and to be able to determine which sustainable products to promote. Each test will be run through microplate and testing absorbance. My first test, which I ran earlier this year, was testing a similar concentration of each UV filter against the bacteria. The second one will be running varying concentrations of each UV filter against the bacteria. And finally, I'll be adding UV to see how it changes the reaction between the bacteria and the UV filters. The results of my first test, I was able to find that avobenzone was the most detrimental UV filter to the bacteria, followed by homosalate and octocrylene. However, each of the UV filters had very detrimental effects against bacteria and stunted its growth significantly. This is essential knowledge to be able to determine which sunscreen brands should and should not be promoted to find better sustainability for our oceans and our coral. This is of utmost importance to protect our coral and our marine life because it's an essential part of our oceans. They are relied upon by so much marine life and to protect our land from erosion, especially because bacteria is built up within a community of coral of microorganisms, and it helps them thrive within the oceans. Having this beneficial bacteria harmed causes the entire process to slowly fail, and it allows the coral to have slowly move into a mortality and bleaching phase. Therefore, this study will continue to reveal ways to help prevent harm to an organism that is needed within our oceans. Thank you.